Hey all, here is your tutorial on how to use the Song Maker. You can make different melodies and different beats on here, and the basic way to use it is to click on the squares to make sounds appear or to erase them. So for the melodies, you can click on them to make them appear and click them again to erase them, just like this. You can also click and drag to erase it. Same thing with the beats. You can click them or drag them and do the same thing to make them disappear. You can drag to make them disappear, or you can click on them to erase them. Or you can click on restart to completely start on a fresh new page. So the first thing you're going to do is explore different sounds and what you can make on here. So for example, let's say, because you can click and drag, you can make different shapes on here. For an example, I'm gonna do a smiley face. Well, let's see what our smiley face sounds like. Interesting. I can also change the sound by clicking down here. Right now it's set on marimba sound, and there's piano sound. Let's see what that sounds like. There's also strings. There's also woodwind. And synthesizer. Interesting. And you can change the sounds of the beats as well. I'm going to give it and this is stuck on electronic sound. Let's say I want a different beat sound. I can switch it to blocks. I can also do drum kit and conga sound. So you're going to explore and do different sounds on here and try different shapes and mess around with the combination. See which one you like the best. So let's try a different shape. Let's try a heart this time. That's a wonky heart. Let's see what it sounds like. I could do a square. That's a horrible square. It's more like a blob. You guys can do it better than me. And you can explore different shapes. So try drawing different things, see what they sound like, and switch around with the sounds and see which one you like the best. Another thing I wanted to show you was the tempo. That's the speed. That's the speed of music. Let's give it some beats. Just doing some random ones. All right. So let's say I want it, right now it has 120. You can see the number right here. Let's say I want it faster. You slide it up. Let's see what that does. Well, that sounded real busy. Let's say I want it slower. You drag it down. And that's how you do it. I'm going to click on restart. One other way to color in the blocks and make sounds, make the different melodies, is to use your keyboard. So I'm using my up and right and left and down arrow, and you use enter to color in the notes or to erase them. So I can use my keyboard instead of my mouse to control it like this. And those are the ways to use the Song Maker. Now, for your assignment today, you're going to copy the melody that I made, which is right here. I'm going to play it for you. Let's see if you can recognize it. Let's listen to it again. Maybe in a different sound. Let's do woodwind. If you set Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or the ABC song? You are very much correct. This is the melody for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or the ABC song. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this exact melody and you're going to make the exact thing that I made, right? That's what I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to be looking for the exact same lengths, exact same positions. You can change the sound if you like, and you can change the speed if you like. That is totally fine. And you can try different beats if you like. Right now, I don't have any beats on here, but if you want to add some beats to it, that is totally fine too. So if you want to add some beats, that's totally fine. If you want to change the sound or the tempo, the speed, that is totally fine. But the melody is only going to be the exact same thing that I did. So the only thing you cannot change is the melody. And I'm going to show you how to make the melody. So starting from a blank space, here's how you make the Twinkle Twinkle Star melody. I'm going to use my keyboard because I don't have my mouse today, and it's a little bit easier for me to use the keyboard. But here's how you make it. And you leave this one blank. And you leave this one blank. And you leave this one blank. And let's hear it. And that is how you make the melody for today. Again, you can change the sound, you can change the speed, you can make your own beats to it, but the melody has to stay exactly the same. This is what I'm going to be looking for. Anything else you do is going to be extra, and it'll be awesome, I know. But this is what I'm going to be looking for. Ooh, did it on accident. This is what I'm going to be looking for from you guys. All right. And once you're done, here's how you send it to me. On the bottom over here, right where my Pikachu is, there's a little save button with a little check. If you click on the save button, it makes a little link for you. You click on the copy link. And in your exit ticket, there's a question for you to copy and paste your SongMaker link. This is where you put it. I'm going to paste it. And you should have your link in the exit ticket, and I'll be able to check for your work over here. So that is your assignment for today. Hope you have fun, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.